Hey everybody, it's One Click Lindsay. Today, I'm excited to talk to you about one of the very, very best methods for getting people to buy more of your services, right? So you have these cold people that may or may not have heard of you. They don't really know what you do. There's no like, and trust factor there. And maybe you have tried email marketing, or maybe you have an opt-in, or maybe you do Facebook Lives once a week, or maybe you do all of these things. Well, all of those things definitely, absolutely work. Hey guys, they absolutely work, but they can be really, really slow, right? Like it can take a few months to get someone on your list warmed up enough to actually buy from you. So here's the deal. The way to actually bring people from cold to close, so cold meaning they're cold, they don't know you, they don't trust you, they're not gonna buy from you, to close, which means obviously buying your products and services, is through the live challenge method. Now, over the past 2 years, I have hosted probably 20 challenges. It's how I get more people to buy my services. It's how I get people into my Traffic and Leads membership program, where I help you with all of your digital marketing. It truly is a powerful, powerful method to bring a whole group of people from cold to close in only a matter of days. Now, it's called the live challenge method. And even if you have tried the live challenge method in the past, there's a lot of nuances to it. Like you have to do a couple of things to really boost your sales towards the end of those days where you're teaching. Now, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, or maybe you do know what I'm talking about, but you want a little bump and you want a few more people to buy from you at the end of the challenge, I've got a treat for you. Tonight at 5:00 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, that's 8 o'clock for my Easterners, I want you to join me in my private Facebook group, Traffic and Leads University. Here's the thing with Traffic and Leads University. I make you enter your website address, and you must be a coach or a consultant or a digital service provider, okay? And you must be the kind of person that's going on Facebook Live and trying to sell your services with your personality. That's all I talk about in university, and the challenge method is made just for people like you. So all you have to do is go to trafficandleads.net, get signed up. I'll see you at 5 o'clock tonight. There's also a replay available for about a week. So even if you can't join me tonight, make sure that you're in there so that you can watch it a little bit later. It's really nice to see you guys today. Make sure you join me tonight. We have lots of fun. Also, there'll be live only bonuses, not bonuses, but prizes. If you show up live, I'll be giving out some stuff for people who are live, because we like to have a big group of people joining us on live. And I'm telling you, I'm not selling anything. This will be truly information only. You need to get your heinies into Traffic and Leads University right now so that I can see you at 5 o'clock tonight and tell you all about the super powerful method of bringing people from cold to close in just a few days. Okay? So will I see you tonight? I hope so. Trafficandleads.net. Get your heinies in there, and I will see you tonight.